Good morning, children. Today we shall learn about amazing festival of India. Festival means something is there to celebrate every festival. Festival is celebrate in different way. There are many festival in India as people of many different religion living in India, like that is a festival like Diwali, Holi, Gurupurva, Eid, Christmas. Deepavali is also known as festival of light. People decorate their homes with diyas and candles. In evening, these are light up and looks very beautiful. People wear new clothes and worship of goddesses Lakshmi. People made color rangoli, dress lights and lamp and also blast crackers to celebrate the day. Sweet of made in the home and people distribute sweet to their relatives, neighbors and friends to share their love and happiness. There are three Eid occasions in a year. Eid ul Fitr celebrated by Muslim after a month of fasting during the holy month of Ramzan. People go to mosque to pray and people wear new clothes and hug relatives and friends to exchange warm wishes on this day. People exchange gift. 25th December is celebrated as Christmas by Christian. Christmas is celebrated as the birthday of Jesus Christ. People go to church to pray to God and people exchange gift to joy and happiness. Children love to decorate tree with friends and relatives. 8th chapter Festival. Warm up. Write a date of some special day you celebrate. Then complete your happy days calendar. So happy days when you are celebrating the festivals and write the date. Okay, write the date here. That is a homework for you. See here what we are learning here. Look ahead. Festivals we celebrate. We celebrate many special days. We enjoy this special day with our family and friends. Celebrating festivals. A festival is a special day when people get together and celebrate with their family and friends. They pray, eat special food, and give gift to each other. Festival days are filled with celebration. Diwali. Today is Diwali. Gopal's house looks beautiful. His mother has light many Nardan lamps outside the house. Gopal and Gauri, sister, are making a pretty rangoli. They will see here rangoli, pretty rangoli. They will not light firecrackers with this time. Firecrackers are noisy and loud, says Gopal. I don't like the smoke. That is, says Gauri. They wear new clothes and share sweets with their friends. Eid ul Fitr. Rahim and his family are celebrating Eid ul Fitr. They went to mosque in the morning. They wore new clothes. Sabah, Rahim's sister, is eating special sweet. Rahim's friends have come to join the celebration. They hug each other and say Eid Mubarak. Rahim's mother gives their friends a type of pudding called Sevaya. Christmas. Today is 25 December. It is Christmas. John and his brother Darley are excited to open their gifts placed around the Christmas tree. They decorate the tree last night. They also had special prayers at church. On the day of Christmas, they wished their friends and relatives Merry Christmas. Little scientist Edward H. Johnson put the very first strings of lightning electrical Christmas tree lights together in 1882. Holi. Today, Lata and her neighbors are celebrating Holi. Holi, the festival of color. The festival of color. See, they are playing festival of colors. The festival is celebrated in spring. They will spray colored powder and water carefully on each other and greet everyone Happy Holi. Guru Purva. The Manjit has come to Gurudwar with his parents. They are wearing new clothes. Today they are celebrating Guru Purva. They will have special prayers at Gurudwar. Langars are organized during Guru Purva. In each everyone is welcome to eat the food served. Buddha Jayanti. Druki is hanging small colored flag around banyan tree. So Druki is hanging small colored flag around the banyan tree outside the temple. His mother is lighting candles in front of a statue of Buddha in the temple. They can hear the monks praying in the temples. They are celebrating Buddha Jayanti. Mahavira Jayanti. Achin is waiting to give fruits and waters to monks. The monks are carrying a statue of Mahavira through the street. It is the festival of Mahavira Jayanti. Achin went to temple in the morning. The temple was beautifully decorated with flags. Norzo. Mihir family celebrating Norzo. Here she is helping her mother cleaning the house. Is helping his mother cook a rice dish known as pulao. The whole house is filled with the smell of pulao. Later they will all wear new clothes and go to the fire temple to pray. Onam. This is Onam festival they are celebrating. That is a boat race. So Annu is watching a boat race. She has come to Kerala to visit her grandparents. Her grandmother gifted her new clothes. Annu and her cousin made a beautiful pattern with the colors in front of their house. They are celebrating Onam. Wrap up. Festival. Family and friends come together to celebrate festival. Some festival we celebrate are Diwali, Eid, Holi, Christmas, Guru Purva, Buddha Jayanti, Mahavira Jayanti, Navroz and Onam. We should not burn firecrackers during Diwali. Evaluate things you know. A. Choose the correct word from the box and fill in the blanks. Diwali, festivals, Christmas, spring. First one, we celebrate dash in the month of December. What that one? Diwali? No. Festivals? No. That is Christmas. So Christmas. Second one, Holi is celebrated in Diwali? No. Festivals? No. Christmas? No. Spring. Children love to celebrate all festivals. People decorate their home with lamp for Diwali. B1, strike out the incorrect word. Strike out incorrect word. People, first one, people light lamp trees for Diwali. So, incorrect, which is incorrect? That one you have to cross out. So, trees. When the cross out, the sentence is, when we are reading the sentence, that is, we have to read correctly. So, people light lamps for Diwali. Sivaya or cake is made on occasion of Eid ul Fitr. So cake is wrong. Third one, people decorate the Christmas tree for Eastern Christmas. The Eastern is wrong. People decorated a Christmas tree for Christmas. C1, true. State true or false. Here it is true or false. You have to write down. First one, a festival is a time for happiness. That is a happiness? Yes, correct, true. Monks carry a statue of Mahavira on Mahavira Jayanti. Yes, they are carrying. So, true. Boat race are held during Diwali. Diwali they are holding, that is during the Diwali? No, that is a Onam. So here it is Diwali, so it is a false. We get together for langas at the Guru Purva. Yes, that is true. D1, draw lines to match correctly. Diwali, Diwali what? Diwali is lamps. Eid, that is a Sivaya. Christmas, that is decorated a tree. Norzo, that is a fire temple. Onam, boat race. Even answer in one or two words. When is Christmas celebrate? When is Christmas celebrate? On 25th December. On 25th December. Second one, what festival is Meher celebrating in the chapter? What she is celebrating? Meher is celebrating Norzo. F1, answer in a sentence. What does Druki celebrate? What does Druki celebrate? Answer. Druki is celebrating Buddha Jayanti. Second one, why should we not light firecrackers? Answer. Gopal and his sister Gauri will not light firecrackers this time because they are noisy, loud and give smoke. Third one, where did the Manjit and his parents go? Answer, the Manjit went to the Gurudwar with his parents.